Find the sum of factors of 102. Now let's solve it. Now there is a very simple formula for this thing. If a number n is equal to a raised to p into b raised to q into c raised to r, where a, b, c are prime numbers and p, q, r are positive integers, then the sum of all the factors of n, including 1 and the number itself, is this thing. So first of all, we will represent 102 as multiplication of prime numbers. So it is nothing but 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1 into 17 raised to 1. Okay, so let's substitute it in the formula. We will get here 2 minus 1. We have here 3 minus 1. We have here 17 minus 1. Now, in the numerator, it will be 2 square minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. 3 square minus 1 and 17 square minus 1. So we have here 4 minus 1, 3 upon 1 into 3 square, that is 9 minus 1, that is 8 upon 2 into 17 square, that is 289 minus 1, so 288 upon 16. Okay, so let's factorize now here. 2 4s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 into 72. So now here it's 3 into 72, hence our answer is 216. Strike rate is the ratio of runs scored to balls faced, and it is expressed as percentage. Sehwag and Sachin played 70 and 125 balls, respectively, and scored 87 and 82 runs. Find the strike rate of their partnership. Now here, the total runs scored by them is 169, and the total balls played by them is 195. So now we can represent this as a percentage into 100, and that will be our answer. Now let's see if we can simplify it. 13 into 13 and 13 upon 15. Okay, so basically it is 13 upon 15 into 100, which comes out to approximately 86.67 percentage. Out of three numbers, the first is 4 times the second and 9 times the third. The average of three numbers is 49. Okay, now as the first one is 4 times the second and 9 times the third, I'm assuming the first number as a multiplication of 4 and 9, that is 36x. Now, hence the second number becomes, you can see here, first is 4 times the second. That means second number becomes 9x, and the third number becomes 4x, as the first number is 9 times the third. Now, the average of these three numbers is 49. That means 36x plus 9x plus 4x upon 3 is equal to 49. That means 49x upon 3 is equal to 49. So 49 gets cancelled. So we have here x is equal to 3. So the smallest number is 4x. Hence our answer becomes 12. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 7. So let's assume them as 3x, 5x and 7x. Find the measure of the greatest angle in degrees. The addition of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So the equation becomes 15x equal to 180 degrees. That means x is equal to 12. Now the greatest angle is 7x, hence the angle will be 7x, that is 12 into 7, 84. If p, q, r are real, then roots of the equation x square plus 2px plus p square plus q square plus r square is equal to 0 will always be. First, let's compare the given equation with the normal equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So by comparing the two equations, this and this, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2p, and c is equal to p square plus q square plus r square. Now, to find out the nature of the roots, we have to find out the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Now, b square, b is 2p, therefore that becomes 2p square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is p square plus q square plus r square. So we have here 4p square minus 4p square minus 4q square minus 4r square. So 4p square gets cancelled out. We get the determinant as minus 4q square minus 4r square. As we have negative sign and we have q square and r square, which will always be positive, we can say that determinant is less than 0. That is, it will always be negative. Hence, we can also get the nature of the roots. That means we can say they are always imaginary. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. I hope you understood the solutions to each question. Solve the Enigma daily quiz and share it with your friends as well. Thank you.